Hi everyone, so today we're going to do the Beware of the Dog Pug wreath with this side. So what we're going to need is this is a 10-inch pancake ring that I got off eBay, some chenille sticks or pipe cleaners or whatever you'd like to call them. I got those from the range, some zip ties, some different colours of deco mesh and some coordinating ribbons. So what we're going to need to do is create our wreath form. So I like to use two different coloured pack cleaners, just so I know which is the bottom and which is the top when I'm doing it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the bottom. So because this is a 10-inch, we're going to do 8 ties at the bottom. So if we start off at one of the crossbars, we're just going to put the chenille stick in. We're going to take our glue gun, it's actually on this tie, and we're going to put on some glue. And then before that dries, I'm going to twist it and then just put on a little bit more glue. Don't worry about all these glue tails, we can take them off later. So I'm going to go on to the next crossbar and I'm going to do exactly the same. And I'm going to do that all the way around and I'll come back once all that's finished. So as you can see, we've gone all the way around the bottom ring and I attached one to each of these crossbars and then one in the middle of each, so that makes 8. So now we're going to go up at the top, and what I'll do is I'll start in the middle of each one of these. So there we go, we've got all our ties in place. So we've got 8 at the bottom and 6 on the top ring, and we're just going to let that dry, make sure everything's secure before we start putting our mesh. Right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to cut our deco mesh. So I'm going to cut these at 16 inches. I'm just going to measure it out and then cut. You do have to press down firmly to make sure that it cuts straight through. So I'm going to carry on cutting these and then I'll come back to you. And so now we have 14 pieces, because there's 14 ties in a frame of each colour. So I'm going to take our wreath, and what we're going to do with this is we're going to do, people call it a cruffle, some call it a woodland ruffle, but we just start rolling it in. And then scrunch top. Or you can do it this way, you can start rolling on that side, hold it, roll it on that side, hold it, and then just scrunch it together. And we're going to put these sideways in each of the ties. So we're going to hold it down and we're going to to twist it a couple of times. I'm going to use the next colour. So I'm going to fold it at the end, and then roll it at the end, roll it at this end, and then scrunch it together, and then come to our next one. And tie it in tight. So as you'll see, that makes this side puff up. So I'm going to do that all the way around, and then I'll come back to you. There you go guys, that's all the ruffles added. So that's all our ruffles added. You can see, I know you can still see through the mesh, but don't worry about that. Once we get all our ribbons on, you're not going to see that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the pug's hair. So we're going to put that in the centre. So I'm going to put some wire through each hole. As you can see, there's little holes there. I'm going to put some wire through there, put it on top, and then wire it straight to the frame. So this wire, I also got this from the range. So we're going to need quite a lot to get it through to the frame, but don't worry, anything that we can cut off we can normally keep and use for other projects. So we're just going to feed the wire through, and then we're going to give it a really good twist. So that then will be threaded through into the mesh and then tied off around the neck. So I'm going to do that and I'll get back to you. So there we go. I've got the sign attached. It's in the centre. I'll just turn it over and show you. So as you can see, I've just attached it to the frame. So next guys, what we're going to do is we're going to put some ribbons all the way around. So because I've got 4 different types of ribbon, so I've got the black and white, got the mini green, the dog paw, which I actually love, and then we've got the mint green. So we're basically taking all the colours from the side and putting it round in ribbons. So we're going to need, there's 14 ties all the way around, and we're going to alternate these. So we're going to need 7 cuts of each. So I'm going to cut these at 11 inches, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what I've done. Okay guys, so when I was cutting this ribbon, I realised that I only had enough for 5 tails. So I cut 2 extra of this, and it's fine, we'll just mix and match them in. So all I did was cut them all to 11 inches, and then I dovetail them at the end. So very good. So we're just folding it over and then cutting towards the wide edge. And then we're just going to alternate round. So we're going to put the green with the black and white, and then the black and white with the green. And then obviously, like I said, a couple of them will be the black and white with the mint green, but we'll put that probably top and bottom of each of the wreath, but it's fine, shouldn't be any problem. So we'll just move these about and then we'll grab the wreath. So I'll start here at the top and I'll do the black and the mint green. So I'm putting them together, I'm going to fold them in half and then scrunch it in the middle, make it look nice. So we're just going to go ahead and tie it into our stem, go around a couple of times and then we're going to pull them out. So basically that's it. So go on to the next one and we'll use the mint green and the black. So fold them in half. Middle. And then put it in. Tie our stems. And then fluff it up. There we go. So I'm just going to go round to do all that and then I'll come back. So I've now gone through and I've put ribbons all over, as you can see, and up the going up. So what I like to do is, where the twist ties are, I like to just go in, do a final twist on them and then cut them off. Some people tuck them behind, I don't. So just do a final twist, make sure they're nice and tight, just cut them off and then tuck them down. There you go, and I think that looks pretty cute. So ribbons all around the sides.